Hi everyone, thank you for watching. On today's video I'm doing this really nice blue marbly, sparkly, blingy set of nails. It's quite an old video this actually, but I've only just got the time now to edit it, so I thought I'd put it on because it's really nice, and the girl who had them had loads of compliments and I've done loads of sets of them, so yeah, I think they're quite a popular nail, and blue's really in at the minute, so the products I've used is Glitterbels, and I think that's it on this video actually. It's just all Glitterbels, yeah it is. So the first colour, this like really nice blue glitter, is a Seafoam Crush. I use this on pretty much all the nails because it's just so nice. So I've just gone in and done a full glitter nail. This one, I did it in 3 beads, so I started off at the apex. Created an apex, did a little bit on the tip, and then went from the cuticle and feathered back up the nail. It's quite a fiddly glitter actually because it's quite chunky. Oh, it's not chunky, but there's a lot of bits in it. It takes a lot to like get it smooth. So yeah, I'm just toing and froing with it. So on this one, I've gone in with Glitterbels Ocean Deep and Glitterbels Snowdrops White, and I'm doing a marble nail. So I use liquid silver on this one as well, just to get a bit of silver in it. So I've gone in with Ocean Deep first, put a bead on, Snowdrops White, and then a really, really tiny amount of liquid silver because you just do not need a lot. It just a little goes a lot way with the liquid silver. You can't really see it on the video because the camera must have been a bit too far away. But you can see it on the pictures, it does show up, so, and it does look really effective. It goes really nice, this blue with white as well. It's one of my favourite marbles to do, and it's really easy to marble it. Like, it does look really easy on video, but it is, marbling is so difficult. But these two colours, if you practice with them, these are easier first to get a nice marble. So anyway, on this one I'm doing a half marble, like Ombre Nail. So I've gone in again with that Ocean Deep and Snowdrops White. I don't think I've put any silver on this one because I've put glitter, quite a bit of glitter on this marble. You'll see in a sec. Just have to fill that top bit in because if you can see the tip, I've not really, I don't know why I didn't start at the tip, but I haven't. Just push that cuticle in, just get a really nice cuticle. So the colour I've used for the ombre is Glitterbels Pastel Pink. I use that for most of my ombre in, and I use that for most of my smile lines because I really like the colour pink, and it covers quite well. It was really difficult to cover this blue actually to get like a really nice ombre, but I just cover it in glitter and hide it. So that's the Seafoam Crush glitter I've gone in with. I go slightly off the camera here, so you can't really see what I'm doing, but I go back to that first marble I've done on the ring finger. I'm doing it now, and I've just gone in with a tiny little bit of glitter, and I'm just dragging it up. You'll see on the picture, but basically the way that the marble's flowing down the nail, I'll follow the flow using silver glitter as well. Just do a couple of them. So on this one I'm doing an ombre using the Ocean Deep and the pink pastel. It's so difficult to ombre because the blue is so vibrant and vivid. It's really hard to create that blend, but I do it. It just takes a lot. Like, you see me dipping and putting a little bit here and a little bit there, but it gets there in the end, and it looks so nice. Like the blue against the pink. Looks really nice. Got them cuticles nice and crisp. So I go in on the apex first with my pink pastel. That's just so that I can mask some of that colour and I can feather up to create a blend. So I'm starting my blend. So I go in with that one first, and then on the second bead I go from the cuticle and bring it up to create the apex. And then if I need to, I'll add more. Sorry, they're doing the garden outside, so if you can hear the tapping, that's what I've had to pull with all day. So I'm dipping in and out the pink pastel because I'm really trying to get like a nice crisp blend. Eventually I think I realised that I'm not going to get the blender one, which really bothers me. And I'm sure I end up putting Seafoam Crush like scattered up the nail. It looks nice anyway. Yeah, it's really, I think I must have took it a little bit too low. I do, there's a Seafoam Crush going on. I must have took the blend a little bit too low and not like faded it out. Like, it's an easy mistake to make. The colours so, Glitterbels colours are so like vivid. It's easy done. Oh, sorry about that. I think I've just gone in with a bit. I must have caught it or some of the Seafoam Crush baby finger. Oh my god, what are they doing out there? Sorry. Well, it's just an ace, or I should have done it in a different room maybe, or good god. Okay, so the other hand, baby finger. I'm going to do a marble nail. No, I'm not. I'm lying. I'm doing an ombre nail with glitter. So I do my ombre a little bit different on this one, as you can see. I do a really thin layer of blue. Then I do my pink pastel, and then I go in with a little bit more blue. See, sorry, I'm dragging it up now, so I'm going in with my pink pastel now and starting the build, and then just working. It's just trial and error. I'd never done this before, like this colour as an ombre, so it's just practice. And obviously next time I know to do it a bit different. I probably know to blend it out a little bit more down the nail, etc. I don't worry about it too much really on this because I know I'm going in with Seafoam Crush again, so do what I can with this blue. Oh, I'm so sorry. Like, it's so nice as well outside. I don't really want to shut the window. I'm going to shut the window. I'm shutting it right now. Window shut. Okay, so I'm still working on this ombre. I think that should be a bit better now it's closed. Yeah, so I'll go in with the Seafoam Crush and I'll just like S-shape that up with the nail. It looks nice anyway. I normally do that, you know, if I feel like the nails need blinging up a little bit, I'll do that. I'll drag some glitter up, so makes it pretty. And I love Seafoam Crush. It's like one of my faves glitters. So next one is a marble, of course. I concentrated heavily on the marble on these because she loved marble, I love marble. This colour looks really nice, marble. And marble nails are just sick. So, just do your cuticle first. Very, very small bead of blue, very, very small bead of white. At the tip, just to get that cuticle area nice. And then you can concentrate a bit more on it again later. Look how nice that marble is, so satisfying. So, bead, drag. It honestly, it looks so easy, right? I say this every single video. It looks so easy. It is just not. But why is the camera doing this? Sorry, I'm really bad. You can see it anyway, you get the gist, and I do it again on one of the other fingers. There's the glitter going on. It just finishes it off, it just makes it look so nice. I got a new stand for my camera, so this is why the angling's like pretty shit, sorry. So this one, I'm doing a smile line. I don't think I've done a video with a smile line yet because I'm not very good at them. I do them on loads of my nails and they do look sick once I've done them. But the process is just hanging. Oh, this camera angle is just so bad. I've sorted it. It's actually me editing that's so bad. So, smile line, I've gone in with a bead at the cuticle. Use the belly of my brush to drag it up the nail, keeping the walls nice and thick. Sometimes I can get away with doing just one bead, but I've had to do, I think I do 3 on this. So I've gone in with a second bead, I'm creating that nice point on the smile line, and then I think I'm just thickening up these side walls because it was a little bit thin. The nails are actually really long. They don't look that long here, but they were really quite long. And I'm using pink pastel, which it is quite difficult to do a smile line with in comparison to like core powders. So yeah, it's irrelevant anyway. So I've just had to do a few more beads on that. I've left it, and I'm going to come back to it because I need to file that shape really crisp once the acrylic's set. So I'll go back to that later. So I'm just going and doing another marble nail. Look at it go on, it's like heaven. I make it look dead easy. Like, I'm watching it now thinking, God, that's dead easy to do, but it's not. I was probably screwing at the time. Just fill in the gaps. Sometimes leave gaps at the side. And then I'll finish them off with a bit of Seafoam Crush. I've not put liquid silver on this hand, I've only just realised, but the hands don't match anyway, so it doesn't matter. Bit of silver and a bit of Seafoam Crush on him. Right, so I've covered up all my powders and everything, and I'm just going in on the free edge, just filing the sides of that smile line really crisp. So file it so it's nice and even, just buff it over slightly just to create a smooth finish. Sometimes when I'm doing a smile line, I won't do that and I'll file it all together at the end, but I didn't on this one. I'm not sure why I didn't, but I didn't. There we go, it's nice and crisp now, I'm happy with it. So I'm going in with Ocean Deep on this one. I'm just creating a nice big blue tip. I'm just going over the edge of that smile line a bit just to like thicken it, just so that the nail's thick enough because they're really long. I don't normally do this, I normally just do it in 2 beads, but I was having an off day. So I'll go in with my Ocean Deep now, put it on the tip of the nail and drag it down. It doesn't matter if you go over the edges of that smile line because you can just file it off and it'll, as you're filing the acrylic away, your smile line will reappear and it's so satisfying. Well, it just depends on, I don't know. If I don't go over the edge, I don't go over the edge. If I do, I do. But I don't on this occasion. I've just followed the edges. It's almost like following the lines in a colouring book. Just do it in small sections so that it's nice and neat. It's so satisfying. The colours go really nice, so I think I've used the pink pastel because it like bounces off the blue. It makes it look really pink, but then the blue looks really blue. So I'm just perfecting that, and then I go in with the Seafoam Crush glitter and just drag that down one of the sides. So it's almost like half blue, half glitter. The smile line. There we go. It's so nice. If you don't have Seafoam Crush, you need it. Like, it's probably one of the best Glitterbel glitters there is. So I'm just tidying that up. And then I'll go in on the thumb. So for this one, I'm just doing a Seafoam Crush ombre. So we're going with pink pastel at the cuticle. Drag that up the nail. Keeps going blurry. Don't know why. I'll probably knock it because it's right above my head. So I'll just do a second bead and feather that up the tip, down the cuticle to create that nice thick apex. And then I just get a nice big bead of Seafoam Crush. Start that at the top of the nail and feather and blend it right down the nail to create the ombre. Goes off a little bit here. I think this is the first set of nails I did with the stand, so I was just getting used to it. How nice is that? Just perfecting that glitter, just dragging it down. And then for the other thumb, I've just gone in with the Seafoam Crush and I just do a full glittery nail. I'm just going in at the tip, dragging it down, and then I'll add one more bead to the apex and just feather that in between the two. Like I said before, it's quite difficult to use this glitter just because there's so much glitter in it. It's so pigmented. It's worth it because it looks amazing, but you just have to fiddle quite a bit just to get it really nice and neat. So once I've done this thumb, I just take my Glitterbels Glass Slippers Clear Acrylic and just cap all the nails, just to protect all the crazy art I've just done, ready for filing. So I've just sped this up really fast, just done a thin layer over the top of each nail, just to cap it. So after this, I don't record my filing, but I've just gone in with a 100 grit file. I've just really crisped up them edges of the nails and the tops and just filed over just to make them nice and neat. So now with the top coat, I've got Glitterbels No Wipe Top Coat. I'm just going over each nail. It's the most satisfying thing ever. I have to keep doing this on the nails, like pulling the fluff off them, because I bought a new towel and didn't soak it before I used it, so all the nails was full of fluff. So top coat the first 4, cure in the lamp for 2 minutes, both hands, and then I go in with the no wipe top coat and do the thumbs, because I put the thumbs in the lamp separately. I just feel like if you put all 5 into a lamp together, I feel like the thumb just never cures properly. So I just prefer to do the 4, cure for 2 minutes, and then do the thumbs each and cure for 2 minutes. Here we go. So once they're done, I go in with my cuticle oil, rub that around the cuticle area, and that's them done. So just a quick video there, and then I've just attached some pictures at the end of the video just so you can see the overall look with both hands together. So I really like these. These are one of my favourites. It's one of my favourite colours. I really love marbles. I really love the Seafoam Crush, and yeah, they just look great together. I've had loads of compliments on them and loads of interest in them, so I hope you like them and enjoy. Thank you.